My name is Bob G, and you are?
I'm Mike Smith.
All right, Mike, where are you from?
I'm from Cookeville, Tennessee.
Excellent, excellent. Looks like you have a wonderful car over here. What kind of car do you have now, Mike?
This is a 65 Chevelle 300 COPO car.
COPO car, wonderful,
Yes.
wonderful. Most excellent. And what size engine do you have in the COPO car?
This car has a 396 425 horsepower engine.
That is totally awesome, and it's so unique because you have a 488 rear end as well.
It does have a 488 rear end with an M22 transmission.
Excellent, excellent. I bet you were really getting it on when you were younger, doing burnouts a block long.
I enjoyed the car, yes, while I was driving it.
Most excellent. And how long have you had the car now?
Bought the car in November of 1968.
1968.
I was 17 years old.
Oh my goodness, what a find, my friend. What a find. When I was 16 years of age, I bought an A12 Super B 446 pack car. I wish I still had that car. And I'm glad that you still have this wonderful vehicle.
Yes, this vehicle's been in the family a long time. I've had it longer, 2 years longer than I've had my wife.
Excellent.
Been with us a long time.
Wonderful, wonderful. Can you tell me some of the unique features of your vehicle?
Yes, this car has the 425 horsepower engine, the transistorized ignition. It has the larger sway bars, has the Impala brakes. Of course, the M22 transmission, only 32 of them made them into production cars in 1965. And of course, the 488 positive traction rear end.
That is most excellent, most excellent. And I understand now you had the original spare tire as well.
The original spare tire that came with it in 1965 is in the trunk.
Excellent, excellent. And the car is painted black. It is so beautiful. And who did the restoration work?
The restoration was done by Mr. Doug Garrett.
Mr. Doug Garrett.
Yes. He did.
All right, you are Mr. Doug Garrett.
Well, no, just Doug Garrett. I'm not Mr., I'm just a Doug
You're
Garrett.
a Doug, okay.
Right.
All right, wonderful. So you did the restoration work on this great car.
Yes, yes.
Excellent, excellent. What challenges did you have when you did the restoration on this vehicle?
Other than the customer?
And under the customer.
Okay. There was some rust issues, floor pan, trunk pan, issues like that, but
Okay.
nothing over any worse than any other car.
Excellent. He's probably just as fussy as I am.
Yes. Yes.
But this is good. This is good. Wonderful, wonderful. How long have you been in the restoration business now?
The first frame-off restoration I did was in 1985.
1985.
Yeah.
Wonderful, wonderful. Excellent, excellent. And what is the process for a total frame-off restoration? What do you have to go through? The first thing.
Well, first thing I've really got to get the body off the chassis first to see what's got to be done on the body, because you never know until you get the body off. You don't know how bad the chassis is or the body, so you just got to disassemble the car.
Gotcha.
Basically, disassemble it and then just fix anything that's wrong.
Wonderful, wonderful. And how about the engine work? Who did the engine work?
I did.
You did the engine work as well.
Now, not the machine work, but I built the motor.
You built the
itself.
motor. Very
Right.
good, very
Yeah.
good. Is the motor stock bore or 30 over?
It's a 30 over, 10-10 on the crank.
Excellent, excellent. Very
Yeah.
good, very good. That's the best way to do it. Of course, line bore and all that good stuff as well.
Oh, and balanced.
And polished.
Yeah.
Excellent. Probably balanced it with the 1 or 2 grams for each rod, more than likely.
Probably within 2.
That's very
Something,
good.
yeah.
Excellent. Well, you did the right job. Excellent. Oh, and some of the unique features on the chassis. You understand it is a Z16 chassis?
It's the same chassis as a Z16 had,
Okay.
but it's technically or theoretically not the same part number, but it's convertible chassis.
Convertible chassis.
Yeah.
So it's a lot stronger.
The side rails are boxed in all the way around. It's not a seat channel, but its side rails are boxed in, making it stronger.
Excellent, excellent. And the brakes are very unique to this vehicle as well.
They are special brakes. They're 11-inch brakes and brake drums. And basically, an Impala had that same brake system, but it's the spindles and backing plates are totally different from an Impala. You cannot take the Impala stuff and make them for a Chevelle. It physically can't be done, so they're special.
They're special. Wonderful, wonderful. And then with this being a 488, this thing must really get up and go.
Oh, well, I can't say. The owner's here.
The owner's here.
Yeah.
Very good. Mike, I'm sure you love to get on it and make it really get up and go.
I'm looking forward to the time when I have the courage to do that.
That is wonderful, wonderful. Well, this is Bob G reporting live, MCACN 2021 with Mike
And Doug.
and Doug. All right, thank you, ladies and gentlemen.